How to open a Chime bank account step by step. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a modern, fee-free banking solution that's easy to use and built for the digital age, Chime might be exactly what you need. In today's video, I'll walk you through on how you can open a Chime bank account in this year step by step. We'll cover everything from eligibility and sign up to account features and what to expect once you're approved. So if you're ready to make the switch to smarter banking, just keep watching. All of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Now, before we jump into the step-by-step process, let's quickly cover what Chime actually is. Chime is a financial technology company that offers banking services through its partner banks, like the Bancorp Bank and Stride Bank, both FDIC insured. Now with Chime, you get a checking account called a spending account, an optional savings account, a free Chime Visa debit card, and you have no monthly fees, no minimum, and no monthly draft fees. Plus, you can get paid up to 2 days early with direct deposit and use tools like Roundup Savings and SpotMe Overdraft protection if you qualify. It's designed for mobile first banking, meaning you can manage your money entirely from your phone. Now, you can simply open a Chime account. To open a Chime account, you need to meet the following requirements. First, be at least 18 years old above, have a valid social security number, be a US citizen or permanent resident, and have a valid US residential addresses or address with no PO boxes. With PO boxes. So you basically don't need a high credit score or a big opening deposit. Chime doesn't check your credit to open an account. Now first things first, to go ahead and proceed, you just want to head over to the Chime website or download their application. And from here, you just want to click on the sign up button. And right after that, we'll be able to go ahead and start filling out our application on Chime right here. Basically, all you have to do is to fill out the application. The application is simple and only takes around 2 to 3 minutes. In the application, you will be asked to enter your full name, your last name, email, home address, phone number, date of birth, and lastly, social security number. Chime will then use the info to verify your identity, which is required by federal law. No need to upload any documents unless they specify to ask you later on. Right after that, we then have to verify our email and identity. After submitting the form, you may be asked to confirm your email, enter a valid verification code sent to your phone or email address. Now in rare cases, you want to go ahead and provide a photo of your ID if the identity verification fails. Most users are approved instantly or within a few minutes. From there, we'll be able to set up our account. Once approved, we can get access to our Chime spending account right away. We can get our routing and account numbers for direct deposits, and we can start linking other banking accounts or funding our new account. Chime will automatically ship you Chime Visa debit card, which typically arrives in 5 to 10 business days. You can activate your card in the Chime app once it arrives. Now, you can also enable direct deposit, optional but recommended. To unlock features like early direct deposits and SpotMe overdraft protection, you want to set up direct deposits with your employer or benefits provider. You can do this directly in the Chime application by tapping the Move Money button, select Set up Direct Deposit, and you'll want to go ahead and share your account info or using the Chime form to hand over to your HR or payroll. Once your first deposit hits, Chime can start giving you early access to your pay, sometimes up to 2 days early. Now, let's go ahead and talk about some other features that Chime has to offer. Chime comes with useful tools that make it different from traditional banks. Number 1 is SpotMe. It covers you up to $20 to $200 on overdraft with no fees if you qualify through the direct deposits. Another feature is the automatic saving. Round up your purchases and automatically move money into your savings account. Now, you will then be alerted when this happens. The third feature is that you have real-time alerts. Get instant notification every time money moves, deposits, purchases, or withdrawals. And lastly, you have no monthly fees, no surprise charges, no maintenance fees, no overdraft fees, and no hidden nonsense. Now, what about the savings and credit builder? Once your spending account is set up, you can choose to open a Chime high yield savings account. You can earn competitive interest with no monthly minimums and automatic save with every transaction. Or you can open a Chime credit builder card. This is optional. A secure credit card with no credit check. It helps you build credit by using your own money, and you have no interest or annual fees. You also have monthly reporting to all three credit bureaus. It's perfect for anyone working on rebuilding or starting their credit. Now, since we're talking about money, let's also navigate through the security and support for Chime. Chime accounts are FDIC insured for up to $250,000. You are protected with 128-bit encryption and real-time fraud monitoring, and you have accessible chat support via their application 24/7. So if you lose your card, you can instantly disable it from the application and request a replacement from the customer support. So that's exactly how you open a Chime account in this year. Once again, you can just go ahead and navigate through the Chime application or the Chime website. And from here, you then want to click on the sign up button, fill out some necessary information like your first name, your phone number, your email address, confirm that email address, and other details that you have inserted, and you should be good to go. Basically, it's fast, simple, and designed for people who want better digital first banking experience with no fees, helpful features, and tools to grow your savings or credit. Chime is a solid choice for managing your money in the modern age. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more banking and financial tips. And if you have any questions about Chime or digital banking in general, you can just drop them in the comment below because I'd love to help. Once again, all of the mentioned tools are going to be on the description box below, so make sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.